Sergey Brin, Sergey Mikhailovich Brin, born on August 21, 1973 in Moscow, Russia, is an American computer scientist and entrepreneur, best known as the co-founder of Google. Personal information. Full name, Sergey Mikhailovich Brin. Age, 51, as of January 2025. Date and place of birth, August 21, 1973, in Moscow, Russia. Nationality, American. Marital status, divorced. Previously married to Anne Wojcicki, 2007 to 2015, and Nicole Shanahan, 2018 to 2023. Cultural, ethnic background, Jewish Russian heritage. Languages spoken, English and Russian. Physical attributes, approximately 5'8", 173 centimeters in height. Weight not publicly disclosed. Brown eyes and dark brown hair. Dress style, casual and practical, often seen in simple attire. Fitness level and general health, known to engage in regular physical activities, maintains good health. Eating habits, no specific dietary preferences publicly known. Tattoos or piercings, none publicly known. Personality traits, often described as introverted, analytical, innovative, and ambitious. Ambitions and aspirations, focused on technological innovation and philanthropic endeavors. Humor and creativity, known for creative problem solving. Sense of humor is private. Professional background. Current occupation, co-founder of Google, involved in various technological ventures. Academic training, bachelor's degree in computer science and mathematics from the University of Maryland. Pursued a PhD in computer science at Stanford University, not completed. Technical skills, expertise in computer science, algorithms, and data mining. Professional experience, co-founded Google in 1998, served as president of Alphabet Inc. until 2019. Career plans. Continues to explore innovative technologies and philanthropic projects. Involvement at work. Highly dedicated and hands-on in projects. Personal life. Family relationships. Has 3 children. Maintains a private family life. Circle of friends and relationships, associates, with tech industry leaders and innovators. Social media and online. Interactions. Maintains a low profile on social media. Community or social involvement. Active in philanthropic efforts through foundations, sports and hobbies. Enjoys acrobatics, gymnastics, and high adrenaline activities. Favorite media. No specific preferences publicly known. Specific passions. Interest in innovative transportation such as airships. Spiritual or religious practices. Raised in a Jewish family. Personal beliefs are private. Daily habits. Engages in regular physical activity. Involved in various projects. Accommodation. Owns multiple properties. Primary residence details are private. Transportation. Owns private aircraft. Uses various means of transport. Personal finance management. Manages wealth through investments and family offices. Priorities in life. Innovation, philanthropy, and family. Vision of life. Focused on leveraging technology for societal benefit. Political opinions. Generally supports progressive policies. Specific views are private. Religious or spiritual beliefs. Culturally Jewish. Personal beliefs are private. Fundamental values. Advocates for freedom, equality, and innovation. Position on social issues. Supports various social causes. Through philanthropy. Specific talents. Exceptional in analytical thinking and problem-solving. Problem-solving ability. Demonstrates strong problem-solving skills. Communication skills. Effective communicator in professional settings. Adaptability and stress management. Adaptable and maintains composure under stress. Key experiences and life lessons. Trips and travels. Extensively traveled for business and personal interests. past successes and failures. Co-founded Google. Faced challenges in personal life. Lessons learned. Values. Innovation, resilience, and adaptability. Significant events. Immigrated from the Soviet Union. Co-founded one of the world's leading tech companies. Objectives and future vision. Aims to continue contributing to technological advancements and philanthropy. Personal and professional goals. Focuses on innovation, societal impact, and personal growth. Sergey Brin's journey from a young immigrant to a tech industry leader exemplifies innovation, resilience, and a commitment to leveraging technology for the greater good. Ambitions and aspirations. Continued. Sergey Brin is passionate about advancing technology and improving lives, particularly through artificial intelligence, renewable energy, and innovative healthcare solutions. Qualities and traits. Main qualities: highly intelligent, innovative, forward-thinking, determined, and philanthropic. Possible defects: can appear reserved or private, potentially impatient with delays in progress. Humor and creativity. Known for his creativity and ability to think outside the box, has a subtle sense of humor. Self-confidence, strongly confident in his skills and vision. Emotional management. Handles stress with a calm demeanor, though he values his privacy highly. Career and professional life. Current occupation: entrepreneur and technologist, actively involved in Alphabet Inc. and other ventures. Academic training: bachelor's degree in computer science and mathematics from the University of Maryland, master's degree in computer science from Stanford University. Technical and non-technical skills: exceptional in programming, data analysis, and business strategy. Skilled in leadership and problem solving. Professional experience: co-founder of Google, instrumental in the development of the Google search engine, advertising platforms, and other groundbreaking technologies. Career plans, aspirations: focused on sustainability, AI, and future-forward technology ventures. Personal life, family relationships. Parents: Michael Brin, mathematician, and Eugenia Brin, research scientist. Children: 2 children with Anne Wojcicki and 1 child with Nicole Shanahan. Circle of friends: includes prominent tech leaders, entrepreneurs, and innovators. Relationships: known to keep personal relationships private post-divorce. Social media presence: maintains a low profile online but is occasionally featured in philanthropic and technological discussions. Community, social involvement: deeply involved in philanthropic work, particularly through the Brin Wojcicki Foundation, supporting education, scientific research, and Parkinson's disease research. Hobbies and interests: sports played, enjoys outdoor activities like hiking and skiing. Favorite hobbies: reading, traveling, and exploring innovative technologies. Favorite movies, series, or books: known to enjoy science fiction and technology-themed content. Specific passion: deep interest in advancements in AI, space exploration, and environmental sustainability. Lifestyle and daily habits: type of accommodation: lives in luxurious yet environmentally conscious homes. Means of transport: owns multiple electric vehicles and occasionally travels by private jet. Eating habits: no publicly disclosed specific diet but likely health conscious. Daily habits: a mix of work, physical activity, and spending time on innovative projects. Personal finance and values: fortune estimate approximately $100 billion of January 2025. Personal finance management: focused on investments in technology, renewable energy, and philanthropy. Priorities in life: innovation, family, philanthropy, and sustainable progress. Vision of life: a strong belief in technology's power to improve lives and solve global issues. Fundamental values and social views: political opinions. Advocates for scientific progress, education, and equality. Religious spiritual beliefs: Jewish heritage with no strongly publicized religious stance. Core values: respect, freedom, innovation, and sustainability. Position on social issues: supports inclusivity, education, and healthcare advancements. Skills and talents: specific talents: technological innovation, problem solving, and business strategy. Communication skills: effective communicator within professional circles. Adaptability and stress management: highly adaptable, thrives under pressure. Key life experiences: trips made, extensive travel for both work and leisure, exploring global cultures and landscapes. Past successes and failures: Co-founding Google is a monumental success. Some ventures, such as Google Glass, face challenges. Lessons learned, resilience and innovation are key to success. Future goals. Short-term objectives. Advance Alphabet Inc.'s projects and focus on philanthropic ventures. Long-term objectives. Leave a lasting legacy in technology, healthcare, and sustainability. Sergey Brin's story is a powerful example of how curiosity, innovation, and determination can transform industries and impact millions of lives worldwide.